I have to go to the tax office and pay $3,000 to get a police report and go to the police station and get a report. Alright. Police them say it's gonna take 10 working days. I mean I say, yo, that long? And the police say that you have about 10 working days. If you get your money, it'll take around 6 months or a year or 2 years. You hear that, people? I don't know how truthful that is.
Yes, my people. That was a clip from YouTube, a video I made probably like 8 months ago. And yes, people, me still not get the money from the insurance yet. GK General still not pay out the money yet. So, Advantage General is my insurance, but GK General is his insurance, the person that hit me. People know, police tell me something and I get the money quick, you know. And say I get it between 6 months to a year or maybe 2 years. So I'm not a lie. Once, I'm not a lie. But still I wait. So man, in the meantime you're waiting, you're supposed to catch a bus or catch a taxi. That's not the reason why you buy a car. You buy a car because you want to jump in your car and drive. So now you're paying insurance bill every month or once a year. And when time comes for you get a pay up, you can't get the money. So this is something I ask the people them. If anyone know of anyone that been in an accident between October last year to July 2020, leave me a comment in the comment section. More often know if them are fix, if them are put people ahead of people. So I just that me beg you people them. If you know anyone, just leave me a comment. And yeah, leave me a comment with me how you feel about this, if people shouldn't wait so long to get them car fixed after them been in an accident. To some people it might look regular, but me it's unbelievable. You know, say yo, you have to wait this long. It's just something I can't understand. So as I always say, be blessed.